Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies quick and easy. First, let's gather everything we need to get started. Having your ingredients and tools ready makes the process much smoother. Remember to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare your 8 by 8 inch baking pan by greasing and flouring it. This ensures your brownies won't stick and will bake evenly. Now, let's mix our delicious brownie batter. Start by melting your butter and sugar together, then whisk in the eggs and vanilla extract until the mixture is smooth. In a separate bowl, combine your dry ingredients. Gently fold the wet and dry ingredients together until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough brownies. It's time to bake. Pour your perfectly mixed batter into the prepared 8 by 8 inch pan. Bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Once baked, let your brownies cool completely on a wire rack before cutting them. Patience here is key for perfect squares. Your quick and easy brownies are ready to enjoy. Cut them into 16 equal squares for serving. They are absolutely delicious served warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. Your brownies will stay fresh and delightful for about 3 to 4 days, perfect for a sweet treat anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.